we're going to be making a comic book wallet. So let's get started with a few of the items you're going to need. You're going to need scissors, a measuring instrument, comic book pages, of course, and clear tape. And this is important in keeping your wallet waterproof. Okay, so we're going to start with these comic book pages. If you have a regular comic book, it's about the right size, which is about 6.5 inches wide. And that's what we need for our wallet, because that's about the size of a dollar bill. Okay, 6.5 inches, you see there. And then so that's the width of the wallet, and then it needs to also be about 3.5 inches tall. Okay, so that's 3.5 inches tall by 6.5 inches wide. And then we're just going to clean up those edges and get ready for the next part. Great. The next step is to cover our panels in clear plastic tape. We're just going to cover those up completely. It's going to help keep them waterproof as well as help them last longer, because we are spending time on making these comic book wallets and we would like them to last for a little while, wouldn't we? So go ahead and cover both panels and then we'll move on to the next step. Now that we have both panels covered in clear tape, I'm going to move on to the next step. You could just leave it just like this, tape these two pieces together and you have a wallet, but I want an additional panel in my wallet. So I'm going to take another piece. It is 6.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall. Okay, and you're going to cover that in tape as well. And then we're going to add it to our wallet. So follow along. So now we have all three pieces of our wallet. First, you're going to take that shorter panel with the middle panel, and you're going to tape those together. Now this panel obviously is partially covered, so make sure it's a panel you don't mind covering as much. I made sure my front panel looks nice. That's the one I want. So trim any edges you need to, and then tape those together. And then once those pieces are taped together, you're going to tape the entire wallet together. So you got your back panel as well. Right now I'm just finishing off the tape. I want to make sure it's nice and taped down, and I've got my full edges. We use a lot of tape in this craft. So you can see how it's open right now. That's okay, we're going to finish those edges in just a moment. Put that other panel together, trim it if you need to, and then tape it again. And we're almost done with our wallet. So make sure you tape your bottom panel so your money doesn't fall out, and then tape those side panels as well. Okay? So if you finish up those last few edges, you can use your scissors to give you a nice crisp edge. That helped the tape stay down really nicely. And then I also used my scissors to make that crease there. You'll find that the crease doesn't stay as well the first few times. I put mine under a book, but you can put yours in your pocket and it's good to go. So let's test this out. I did not have any cash on me. You know, we're in the middle of a quarantine. So let's cut up some fake dollars and test it out. It works pretty well, if I do say so myself. And there you have your comic book wallet. Enjoy and send us pictures. You can tag us at #Fresno Library Teens on Instagram. Thanks. Bye.